Hi, this is Shaquita with Sweet Rubies, and today I will be showing you how to make these very quick and easy snowman hot chocolate bombs. To begin, I am going to use a silicone mold. These are the normal silicone half circles or sphere molds. I just cut mine up individually because it's easier to work with. You dump chocolate in, turn it over, dump the excess chocolate out. Then you take a butter knife or a bench scraper and you scrape around the edges and put that in the refrigerator or freezer to set. Now I'm using my 3-part mold. This is my favorite mold. You put the chocolate into the bottom. It has a line to tell you how much, but I still always overfilled. Hey, I'm human. And then you put the top on. You turn it over and you kind of twist it like a door handle. You put them in the freezer as well for about 5-6 minutes. They always come out perfectly. Okay, now the silicone mold is done. You have to coat this one twice. So as you can see, I am doing that, and you have to move quickly the second time because it's kind of frozen and the chocolate will seize up quickly. You just have to always remember with the silicone ones to clear up the edges. Okay, so this is what these look like in the 3-part mold. When you remove them, they're very easy. You kind of twist them. Whatever chocolate that's in excess on there, you just scrape it up and put it back in your bowl and you can remelt it. Love that shine. You can see I'm getting the excess chocolate off because I will be remelting that. With this one, it wasn't easy to come out, so I just pressed the bottom and it came out and it's perfect. And now for the silicone one, I put my thumb in the middle, then I work the edges away from the chocolate and then I plop it right on out. To make the snowman head, I take 3 regular size marshmallows. I'm using black candy melts as well as orange candy melts. Okay, then you just pipe the eyes and the mouth with the black. I will go ahead and say this is something my husband pointed out because he's extremely picky for no reason. But I am using white chocolate for these. As you can see, white chocolate is not pure white. If you would like a pure white, you can use a pure white candy melt. I prefer to use the chocolate that I use. I think it looks good all the same. So then, to make the nose, you just put a dot and then drag. Look at how cute. Okay, now I'm going to put them to the side to dry while I make and put together the bombs. I always sit mine in cupcake liners, keep them sturdy and all together. Also, if you have one that's a little dull like I did, I always make that my bottom. So for one, I'm putting in my Stevens white hot chocolate. For one, I'm doing my Stevens English toffee. And for the last one, I am doing a caramel macchiato, which I don't even know why the camera cut these off. It's so annoying, but I guess that's my positioning. A trick that I've learned that I love is that, I forgot to put marshmallows. Let me go back and do that. So I'm going to put marshmallows in all of them. And then I am taking my candle burner. You can put foil on it, which I do sometimes, but today I am using parchment paper. And as you can see, you just sit it on there. It melts quickly and evenly. Then you sit it on the half of the hot chocolate bomb that is already prepared. Okay, if you have a little bit of an excess like you just saw that I had, it's okay. You just use your clean finger or glove finger, and then you just wipe off the excess, as you can see. Okay, now you're going to take a little bit of that melted chocolate. I just wanted to test to see exactly where I wanted to put it. Make sure that your bomb is even. And then you sit there, you hold it. I just held it for about 2-3 seconds. You place the head on the top. So cute. Okay, while those are drying, I melted some green and red candy melts. And I'm also going to use the rest of the orange that we use for the nose. Why you cannot see this, I don't know, but I'll try my best to explain it. I'm just going to make a little scarf. So I pipe around the front half of the head of the snowman, and then I just carry it down to the front to make a scarf, as you can see here. And then I just go through and repeat it with the red and then the orange. Okay, now that they are all done, I turn them around so you can get a better look of them. Next, I'm just going to pipe some buttons. Yeah, this angle is terrible. And then I'm going to pipe the arms, but you will see exactly how they look. Here you go. And then I'll just repeat that on the other two. I know this angle is terrible. I do apologize for that. And I am unable to pipe a straight line to save my soul. So I do apologize for that as well. But this is how they turned out in the end. They are very easy and very cute. To melt them, I am just going to take my mug. As you can see, they're very sturdy. I am holding it by the head of the snowman. Now I'm putting it in the mug. I'll move it up just a little bit so you can see it better. I kind of feel bad for the poor guy.
A little.
Okay, and there it is. This is the white chocolate, hot chocolate. But as you can see, it's going to turn colors just a little bit, just from the orange and the black from the candy melts. But this is the white hot chocolate. And there you have it. I absolutely loved it. And so did my children. Thank you for watching today. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, everything. We really appreciate you. And happy holidays.